looks like a supplier strength inspection factory. We are a specialized packaging machine manufacturers to provide packaging solutions for customers. We have a number of patents and certificates. Located in Foshan, Guangdong. 35,000 square meters workshop. Various imported automatic machines. Hours continuous production. Bags daily output. Custom packing machine for you. Set production research and development production sales in one. We have pillow machine, packing machine, filling machine, production line and other factories. We will debug and pack the equipment before delivery. Our company has more departments working together than just factories. This is our operations department, art department, engineering department, business department. The design department followed up the machine for design improvement.